What's up there, YouTube? SMC Zippo guy here with another unboxing. Let's get right into it. Ooh. So we have here a street chrome. Marines with the Eagle Globe and Acre and the American flag in the background. $27.95. I've usually paid somewhere around this price when I buy these. But it's what you got to do when you want to start a collection. Let's get rid of the sticker. And since this is straight chrome, should be no work needed done to it. Nope. All right. Let's check out the inside. E21, May 2021. So, while I was at 29 Palms, me and my roommate and my friend decided that we found out that Las Vegas was only a 2.5 hour drive. So one Friday after we got off work, I decided, hey, let's go to Palm Springs and take a Greyhound to Vegas. It's only 2.5 hours. So yeah, we did that. Ended up being 7 hours on the Greyhound bus. That was a long night. So we get there. We stayed in the most ghetto hotel. It was about probably $30 a night, I think. And what can you do at 20 years old? I think he was 19. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So we get there, we check into our hotel, and then we go out on the strip, and we can't go in anywhere. So what do? We found a pretty cool homeless guy. Wish I could remember his name, but that's not happening, as it was 21 years ago. Or, well, 20 and a half years ago. This would have been about beginning of February of 2001. And then, yeah, so we found this homeless guy, and we kind of befriended him, I guess. And we get him I got him to. I gave him $20 to go into the 7-Eleven that's right on the strip and buy us a case of beer, and then he got to keep the rest of the money. Of course he agreed to that, so that's what we did. Oh, and then we got tattoos also. That's where I got a USMC tattoo on my right shoulder bicep, and I don't remember what he got, but that's what you can do in Vegas when you're 20 years old. Let's get the stain in the display case. Can't believe, almost forgot this part. Remember, it's E21. Does the carpet match the drapes? No, it does not. And we got conned. All right, street chrome. My second row street chrome. Let's add another one to it. And we're in. See you next video.